We want to solve log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base x of 2 is 2. When we were looking at the change of base formula, we saw that log to the base a of b was equal to 1 over log to the base b of a. It follows that log to the base x of 2 is equal to 1 over log to the base 2 of x. We can substitute that into our equation. We get log to the base 2 of x plus 1 over log to the base 2 of x is equal to 2. And if we multiply through by log to the base 2 of x, we get log to the base 2 of x squared plus 1 is equal to 2 log to the base 2 of x. Bringing everything to one side gives log to the base 2 of x squared, take away 2 log to the base 2 of x plus 1 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We can factorize this. It gives us log to the base 2 of x minus 1 all squared is equal to 0. And this tells us that log to the base 2 of x is equal to 1. Either we spot the fact that we know that log to the base 2 of 2 is 1, or we can use the definition of logarithms, which is that a to the b is equal to c is equivalent to log to the base a of c being equal to b. We have log to the base 2 of x is equal to 1. Converting it to an exponential expression, we get 2 to the 1 is equal to x, or simply x is equal to 2.